ये सच है, इरादे हमारे विध्वंसक नहीं और अकारण युद्ध के हम प्रशंसक नहीं। अहिंसा के पुजारी हैं पर कह दो इस दुनिया से अहिंसक हैं, कायर नहीं। Storm the UN, demand that country be transferred to the FATF grey list, put sanctions on it। ये सच है, इरादे हमारे विध्वंसक नहीं और हम प्रेम करते हैं कश्मीर से। ये सच है, इरादे हमारे विध्वंसक नहीं और अकारण युद्ध के हम प्रशंसक नहीं। अहिंसा के पुजारी हैं पर कह दो इस दुनिया से अहिंसक हैं, कायर नहीं। Greetings to the members of the House. Today, I find it quite unfortunate to be standing in a country where after decades of independence, there's still a section of people that wake up unsure if they would live to see another day. Where mothers are scared to send their kids to school and where young children open their eyes to the horror of blood-soaked streets instead of playgrounds. Today, I want each one of you present here to reflect on the suffering that Kashmir has endured for our nation. From Baramulla in 1947 to Kargil in 1999, from 3 blood-soaked wars to the painful tragedies of Uri, Pulwama and now Pahalgam. आज 140 करोड़ हिंदुस्तानियों की तरफ से मैं सरकार से सिर्फ एक सवाल पूछना चाहती हूँ स्पीकर मैडम कि 22 अप्रैल को पहलगाम में एक भी सिक्योरिटी पर्सोनल तैनात क्यों नहीं था? अगर होते तो शायद आज 26 परिवारों ने अपने बेटे, अपने भाई या अपने पति को नहीं खोया होता। Who is accountable for such a massive security lapse in one of the most sensitive regions of the earth? How many more Pahalgams have to happen for our government to realize the worth of Kashmir? To ensure that such instances do not happen to our future generations, today I stand in full support of the 1994 resolution. It has to be re-implemented, it has to be revisited, yes. But trust me, doing that alone is not enough. पाकिस्तान की सरहदों पर कुछ फटाके जलाने से वो देश ना कभी सुधरा है ना सुधरेगा। If India wants action, it has to switch to aggressive diplomacy. Storm the UN, demand that country be transferred to the FATF grey list, put sanctions on it, and ensure that no one globally trades with it. I want to draw attention to another very deeply concerning issue in the valley. According to a Labour survey report of 2024, Jammu and Kashmir has the highest unemployment rate in the whole country. Isn't that a matter of shame? We could not even guarantee Kashmiris jobs. So I want to urge the government to restore political stability in the valley. Rebuild trust of Kashmiris, because trust me, if you do that, you cut off terrorism at its root. At the end, I'd like to leave by quoting Bal Gangadhar Tilak. For he once said that Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. So who are we to stop Kashmiris from having their Swaraj, their birthright? Think about that, ladies and gentlemen.